After using regular mainstream products for ages, I'm finally trying my hands on Korean skincare, and in this video I'll be showing you the ones I got and what I'll be using them for. Let's dive in. I cannot begin to share with you the hype around Korean skincare. If you have tried regular mainstream products and you did not get the results you want, try Korean products. Asian brands are those brands that are well known for anything amazing skin results. So if you want to give good glowing skin a try, start with Korean products. For this video, I'll be showing you the ones I got. I got them based on recommendation from a friend who used the same type of products and we have similar skin concerns, so I decided why not. I'll be showing you every one of them and what they'll be doing for me. So let's start with the first one. The first is this cleansing oil, which they said gently removes makeup, sunscreen and daily impurities without irritating the skin. It is said to be good for effectively cleansing while maintaining the skin's natural moisture balance, which is especially important for sensitive or dry skin. The key ingredient in this cleanser is well known for its soothing properties. It helps to calm inflammation and promote skin healing. The oil formula also includes hydrating oils that work to dissolve makeup and debris without leaving a greasy residue. I am hoping this will not only remove my makeup completely, but also provide some skincare benefits, like calming any redness or irritation after a long day. I am especially curious to see how well it removes waterproof makeup, as I have had some cleansing oils that left a bit behind. I will be using this over the next couple of weeks to see how it performs on my skin, and I will share my full review once I have gotten a feel for how well it cleanses and nourishes without stripping my skin. The second one is this Power Moisture Serum. This serum is said to deliver deep hydration to the skin, perfect for anyone with dry or sensitive skin. It provides moisture while calming irritation, making it great for everyday use, especially in drier weather, which is my case, or after harsh skincare treatments. The main ingredient in this serum is the beta-glucan, which is a powerful moisture retaining agent that also has soothing properties. It is known for helping to strengthen the skin's moisture barrier and can be especially beneficial for calming any redness or sensitivity. The formula also includes some additional plant extracts to help balance the skin. I am really excited to try this because beta-glucan is a fantastic hydrating ingredient. I am hoping it will leave my skin feeling plump and refreshed without being too heavy or greasy. It should help provide long-lasting hydration and potentially reduce skin dryness I have been experiencing lately. Once I have used this serum for a while, I will be back with a full review to share how it works on my skin. I will let you know if it really helps to boost hydration and smooth out my skin's texture. The third one is the Madagascar Glow Sunscreen. This cream is said to act as both a sun protection product and a skin treatment. It is designed to protect the skin from harmful UV rays while delivering a nourishing, glowing finish. It is ideal for daily use under makeup or on its own to give your skin a natural, dewy look. The star ingredients here are known for their calming properties and helping to balance the skin's microbiome, improving skin texture and overall health. It also has a good SPF factor, giving it the added benefit of sun protection which the skin needs. I am really curious to see how this works as both a skincare treatment and a sun protector. I want something that will give me a glow but not make my skin feel oily. I am hoping this will keep me protected from UV rays while leaving me with a natural, healthy looking glow throughout the day. I will be using this for my daily sunscreen protection and will update you with my full review. I will let you know if it gives me the glow it promises and if it works well under makeup or on its own. The fourth one is this hydrating foam cleanser. This foam cleanser is said to hydrate and cleanse the skin simultaneously. Perfect for morning and evening routines, providing a gentle, non-stripping cleanse that removes dirt and oil while leaving the skin refreshed. The key ingredient in this cleanser is matcha, which is loaded with antioxidants to help protect the skin from environmental damage. Matcha also helps soothe inflammation and provides a bit of a calming effect, making it perfect for sensitive skin. This product also contains moisturizing ingredients that help prevent dryness. I am excited to see how this foam cleanser works. Foam cleansers are often very refreshing, and with matcha, I expect this to leave my skin feeling both clean and hydrated, not tight or dry like some other cleansers. I am hoping it is a gentle but effective daily cleanser that I can use without irritation. I will try this out for a couple of weeks and come back with a full review to share my experience. I will let you know if it is effective at removing dirt without stripping the skin of its natural moisture and if it is as hydrating as it claims. The fifth one is this face cream. This cream is said to combine snail mucin and rice to hydrate, repair and brighten the skin. Snail mucin is known for its regenerative properties, while rice helps to even out the skin tone and provide a natural glow. Great for anyone looking for a multi-purpose cream that does it all: moisturize, brighten and repair. The high concentration of snail mucin, which is about 93%, is the key ingredient, known for its ability to help regenerate the skin, reduce the appearance of scars, and improve overall texture. Rice extract works to brighten and lighten hyperpigmentation. Together, these two ingredients can promote smoother, brighter, and more even-toned skin. I am really looking forward to seeing how this performs on my skin. I have heard great things about snail mucin and I'm hoping this cream helps with my skin's texture, brighten dark spots, and keep my skin hydrated without being too heavy. I will be using this cream as a part of my daily routine and will share a full review once I have used it for a few weeks. I will let you know if it helps improve skin texture and if it delivers on its promises of hydration and brightening. The last one is this essence. The essence is formulated to hydrate, balance and revitalize the skin with the power of kombucha tea. It helps to restore skin's pH balance and provide antioxidants to fight free radicals. It is perfect for prepping the skin before applying serums or moisturizers. Kombucha tea is rich in antioxidants, vitamins and probiotics that can help boost your skin's health. It also has mild exfoliating properties that can help improve skin texture over time while keeping your skin hydrated and balanced. I am hoping this essence will provide my skin with an extra layer of hydration and help with any texture issues. Kombucha is known to balance and brighten, so I'm curious to see if it helps smooth out uneven areas or helps my skin look more radiant. I will be incorporating this essence into my routine and will let you know how it affects my skin after a few weeks. I will share my experience with how it hydrates, balances and possibly brightens my complexion when the time comes. And one good thing I love about all these 6 products, they have no fragrance. I just got the products and I'll start using them right away. Definitely I'll be sharing my reviews with you once I've used them for a while. But even before that, I must say I love the fact that these products look rich. Most especially, they don't even have fragrance, which is what I love in face products. That irritation from some fragrances is not what you want on your face. So yes, I'm already off to a good start with this. So let me know in the comments if you've used any of these products or what you think about Korean skincare in general. These products are just for the face, so for now I'll just be starting off with facial skincare. Do go to subscribe to the channel because you definitely wouldn't want to miss my reviews about all these products. I'll see you in the next video.